Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hayden, and today I'm here with you for an unboxing of a new keyboard that will be going on my Mac setup. Now, this was a sponsorship with Chesona. If you remember Chesona, they were a company that sent me out an iPad keyboard that was backlit and had multiple different kinds of features. Now, they are back and they sent me out a keyboard for my Mac, and here it is. So let's unbox it. But first of all, I want to say before anything, thank you and a big shout out to Chesona for thinking of me again and for sending me this keyboard. Now, first of all, this is a very interesting keyboard, a full layout. It looks like a Mac, and it also has a slot where you can put paper clips, a calculator, or your phone. Now, this is actually pretty cool because you don't see many keyboards having this kind of feature. Now, this thing has comfortable typing, low profile keys. It is rechargeable and it Bluetooth to multiple devices. On the back, it shows the feature that you have where it can hold your phone, placing paper clips, placing pens, or placing your mobile phone. Well, let's get into it and unbox. Very simple. This thing just has two latches in the front. All you do is release these and you're into the box so that you'll have no scissors or no cutting at all. First thing I am immediately greeted with looks like the Chesona paperwork and a wireless keyboard user manual. So I will be putting these to the side because I do not exactly need them. Now, something that is actually very interesting that you will never see on other keyboards, it comes with a keyboard cover for dust and for protecting it from other things that may be in your room floating around when you're not home. This is actually a very cool feature that I would like to see from other companies such as Logitech. That would be awesome. I'll set that aside. And here is the actual keyboard itself. Very long, I can say that. And our holder up here looks awesome. This thing has more of a cool looking, I don't know how you would put it, but we've also got LED lights at the top for Bluetooth, power, off, on button, so that we are not using the battery when it is not in use. Now, what I'm not sure about, is this USB-C? Yes, it is. The USB-C port is actually right here. I was honestly expecting micro USB because that is the common nowadays, but I'm actually happy to see that most companies are moving to USB-C. Now, putting this on my lap, let's see what else we have in the box. Just some black separating cardboard and a USB-C cable. That comes with it. This is awesome. I can't believe this is USB-C. So I will be putting this down. Let's open this up. Just slides out of the plastic. Look at that. That is actually really nice. Oh yeah, this thing is awesome. This is perfect for anybody who has a Mac setup that they can use it at home. Here's our USB-C charger. I will plug that in. Let's see. It might actually already show up on my Bluetooth preferences without having to plug in the cord. Let's turn it on. We have power. You might need the Bluetooth. Yeah, Bluetooth device 1. Here we go, connect. All we had to do was long press which Bluetooth device we want to use. We have an option of 3 devices. Number 1 will be my MacBook. Keyboard assistant, yada yada, we already know. Connected. Now let's see if I can type. Yes, I can. For starters, let's look up Hayden Murray. Hit the return button, and there's multiple pictures. There's about 1 or 2 of me, so it does work. Alright guys, let's just do a quick typing test to see how this sounds. Now, I am actually using one of the very simplistics and one of my very favorite websites known as Monkey Type. This is just a normal typing website, and it is pretty simple, and instead of sentences it shows you random words, which I like over most typing websites. So let's give this a try. And we are done. 30-second typing test, 74 words per minute, 89% accuracy. Now that is not bad for my first time typing today. Overall, this keyboard feels amazing. Honestly, just right off the bat, I can tell you that it sounds better and feels better than the Apple Magic Keyboard itself. And that is seriously saying something for such a budget keyboard. Alright guys, that's been it for this unboxing of this keyboard. Once again, I want to say a huge thank you to Chesona for thinking of me again and sending this out. So that is all I have for this YouTube video. I will let you guys know in about maybe a week to 2 weeks to what I think of this in a review. But once again, I want to thank you guys for watching. All my social media is down below again. If you want to look at my personal life, I'm a huge fan of Instagram and Twitter. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video.